Hey guys, what's going on? Just want to tell you a little bit about an eyeshadow palette that I recently picked up at a beauty and makeup store, and I love it. It's called Nightingale by Pretty Vulgar. I've tried some of their products before, including a liquid eyeliner, and it's in a little pod, and what's great about it is you can choose whatever brush you want to use instead of using one of the regular liquid eyeliners that will come with a wand, and sometimes it's too thick or too thin. So this way you could kind of get your right consistency. It also is super long lasting, waterproof, and really great. So right off the bat, I was excited to try this because I love Pretty Vulgar. So I thought that the whole look of it's kind of cool, different looking, sort of, I don't know, almost not rustic looking, but reminds me of the Renaissance art era with this design going around here, and Nightingale, Pretty Vulgar. So already off the bat I knew by the name Nightingale that it would be kind of a darker looking colors that come in this eyeshadow palette, meant for maybe going out at night or whatever the case is. But I do my makeup every day kind of dark. I know most people just do it darker at night. They do it heavier at night. I definitely go heavier at night if I go out, but I also wear heavy makeup during the day too because I'm a makeup lover. So go ahead and flip to the back. It has the Pretty Vulgar label right there. Embrace your beautiful contradictions, which I think is kind of cool. And there's the key. Eyeshadow distributed by Pretty Vulgar LLC in Boca Raton, Florida. Bulk made in USA, assembled in Dominican Republic. And then their website is prettyvulgar.com. The measurements here: 1.4 grams, 0.05 ounces by 7, 1.2 grams, 0.04 ounce by 5. The look of it and what it's going to look like, and then here's the best part. Ta-da! I'm not going to show you what I'm looking like right now. I have no makeup on, but here's the mirror so you guys can kind of see when you open it. Okay, so most important part, here are the colors, and they're all super beautiful. Nocturnal is, I like the names of them too, kind of cute. Nocturnal is a nice white color. Pillow Fight is a neutral brown, a light brown almost. I would say these two are the most neutral colors. They're also matte. The Break Free is really pretty. I don't know if you guys could see really so much in the video, but it's a really pretty, I would say it's off-white. It has a little bit of a grayish looking color to it with shimmer, which is really pretty. It's got some sparkles in there. We go to Darkside. Darkside is a dark brown, really pretty. And this is matte. Also, I don't really see any sparkles in there, or when I put it on, I didn't really see any sparkles. It's more matte, but has a little bit of a shimmer to it. Hide and Seek is a nice neutral darker brown. I feel when I compare it to Pillow Fight almost looks like it has a teeny bit of a white or pink mixed into it. Really nice color. Clutch is gorgeous. That's probably my favorite one. Break Free and Clutch are my two favorites. It's a nice light brown, really pretty with some shimmering sparkle. Flip Out is a dark brown. Flip Out almost has if you guys could see, maybe some red undertones in there, but very nice. And these are all super blendable and long wear, very long lasting. You won't have to keep reapplying it, which is great. We have I Spy, which is a dark brown with shimmer and sparkle. Silver Spoon, that's like a dark gray, really dark gray with some blue undertones and some shimmer in there. And then we have the darkest at the bottom. Swoop, After Midnight, and All Nighter. Swoop is a really, really dark brown. After Midnight is almost a grayish green. And All Nighter is just a pitch black color. So that's good for blending, and if you need to make that smoky eye look. But they're all look at how pretty this color is. I love this. This is Clutch. This is great for every day, but at night, during the day, I'll put this on my eyelids. I have brown eyes, by the way. Should probably mention that. Could see this palette working on any type of eye color. This is Clutch. So I put this on my eyelids. and then I'll use like the darker brown. So I'll go ahead with like I Spy in the crease, and then at the very top of my eyebrows I'll use Break Free, and sometimes I'll mix a little bit of Pillow Fight in there, but that's like for my everyday look. Now at night I'll do Clutch on my eyelids again, but I'll go for like the Swoop, like a darker brown around the crease, and I'll use Pillow Fight or Hide and Seek underneath my eyebrow to kind of just make it work. And they're all so much fun to play around with. So even if you know how to do the smoky eye, it's great, but if you don't, it's good for, like I said, every day. But definitely incorporate those darker colors in there if you're going out at night or to an event or something like where you'd feel comfortable wearing a smoky eye. So these are really beautiful colors, and I hope you guys will try out the Nightingale palette by Pretty Vulgar, and I hope you love it. And I thank you so much for watching this video.